Hi guys! I have just received a keyboard that I purchased from Fun Keys, and it is the Ducky 1-2 Cherry MX Silent Red, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys because it is the first release that they have for the Silent Red version, and also it's not out in the stores yet, so I will be one of the few people to show it to you guys first. So here we go. This is how it looks inside. Very well covered. We have a manual here, and let's see if there's anything else. Let's see, we have extra pieces here. See here, it comes with the tool, and also the cable. The cable feels just very sturdy, and so now I'm gonna test the sound, since the sound is very important for when choosing a mechanical keyboard. Here we go. Okay, let's see how the sounds sound. As I'm typing it, it does not feel clicky at all. It feels linear, very silent, as you guys can hear. I think this definitely is a very good choice for those of you who have a family and you want to play games in the middle of the night but don't want to wake up your family. Yeah, so here we go. This is the Cherry MX Silent Red.